94% of professional fund managers fail to beat a simple index fund over 15 years. Here's what that means for regular investors and why simplicity wins. A fund that tracks an entire market index like the S&P 500 buys all 500 companies automatically. Instant diversification. Expense ratios as low as 0.03%, nearly free to own. You find undervalued companies before others notice. Research and analysis give you an edge over the market. Reality. Even professionals with teams and data can't consistently beat indexes. S&P 500 has returned 10% annually over 100 years, compounding. 87% of actively managed large-cap funds underperform S&P 500 over 10 years. The more you trade, the more fees and taxes eat your returns. You enjoy it as a hobby and won't panic when it drops 40%. You keep it to 5 to 10% of your portfolio. The fund money allocation. Never pick individual stocks in your retirement accounts. Total Market Index Fund, VTI, FSKX. One fund, all 4,000 US stocks. Set it up in a Roth IRA. Buy more monthly, never sell. This beats 90% plus of professional investors over 20 plus years. Free investment tracking sheet and budget planner at fundbiz.gumroad.com. Link in description. New episodes Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.